In this video, we will show you how to calibrate the gimbal. The gimbal needs to be calibrated when the aircraft's gimbal is tilted. Before calibration, please remove the gimbal guard and propellers. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and the remote controller will be powered on. Connect the remote controller and mobile phone with a data cable. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on the aircraft. Open the Autel Explorer app. Click the camera button. Then click the settings button, gimbal, and the gimbal auto calibration. And lastly, start calibration. The gimbal will start to move around and enter a calibration mode. Once the gimbal has been calibrated, the app will confirm a successful calibration. Thank you for watching.